The other part is the vocal, how you sound. And that's what we were talking about up here. How well do you pronounce the words? Does your accent interfere? Are you speaking too fast? Do you have a monotone when you're talking so all the words sound the same? Or do you accent the wrong syllables and then it's like, what did he say? Instead of accent the wrong syllables. So all of these can interfere. Do you speak in a way that at the end of a statement your voice goes up and it sounds like you're asking a question, but you're really trying to make a statement? That's going to affect your delivery. There's a lot in the vocal that we don't think about. And to me, the vocal is what makes your homily. That's what makes an outstanding homily, because there's energy, and I understand it. And you seem authoritative if you want. If you want to sound humble, you can sound humble. All of that is in your tone of voice. We left out, well, we did say hearing problems, but loudness and softness. Sometimes you want to speak softer because the message is a certain type that's more quiet. And then you want to vary it.